In this video, we'll solve the equation x equals 2 times the floor of x minus 1. So the floor of x will be x minus some number, where that number, alpha, is between 0 and 1, and it doesn't include 1. So if it's 0, then the floor of x is equal to x, which means x is an integer. And if it's between 0 and 1, that means that x is not an integer. So let's plug that in. That'd be x equals 2 times x minus alpha minus 1, which is 2x minus 2 alpha minus 1. This means subtract by x on both sides. So this means that x, and this will cancel, so x is equal to 2 alpha plus 1. So now we're going to plug that into this equation. So we're going to have x equals, not x, but 2 alpha plus 1 equals 2 times the floor of 2 alpha plus 1 minus 1. So alpha is between 0 and 1, not including 1. 2 alpha plus 1 is between 1 and 2 times 1 plus 1 is 3. So the floor of 2 alpha plus 1, it can be equal to 1, but it cannot be equal to 3 because it's less than 3, so it'd be less than or equal to 2. So this means we have two possibilities. Case 1 is the floor of 2 alpha plus 1 equals 1. So we have this equation, so this will be 2 alpha plus 1 equals 2 times 1 minus 1. 2 times 1 is 2 minus 1 is 1. This means that alpha is 0. So that means that the floor of x is just x. So we can plug that into the original equation. So that would be x equals 2 times the floor of x, but now that's just x minus 1. So let's minus x and then plus 1, so that would be x equals 1. So case 2. So we have the floor of 2 alpha plus 1 equals 2. So plug that in, so you get 2 alpha plus 1 equals 2 times 2 minus 1, right? 2 times 2 is 4, minus 1 is 3. This means that 2 alpha equals 2, or alpha equals 1. But that's a contradiction because alpha is between 0 and 1 without including 1. So this is a contradiction, and the only solution is x is equal to 1. And that's the end of the video.